Hello everyone, my name is Hajime Endo. I'm from Japan and I belong to Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology. Today I'm going to talk about my agent for ANAC SCML 2024 one-shot track. The name of the agent is DistRedistAgent. First, I'm going to talk about the overview. In SCML 2024 one-shot track, range of unit price is so narrow that quantity is more important than price. So I designed my agent by these concepts below. First, my agent tries to secure needed supplies and needed sales, and aims to minimize the cost due to disposal and shortfall. Also, my agent is designed to distribute its needed contract quantity to partner agents wisely. If offers my agent got are not so good to accept, it redistributes its needed quantity and conduct reproposal. Furthermore, my agent has three types of distribution methods and select them depending on the situation. And my agent is based on one-shot sync agent in the SCML 2024 tutorial. Next, I'm going to talk about accept strategy. My accept strategy has four rules below. First, if the situation of offer is contract quantity equals to needed contract quantity, my agent will accept them. Otherwise, it select the option with as highest utility as possible. In my presentation, needed contract quantity means needed supplies or needed sales. They can be taken from AWI. Second, it aims the situation where contract quantity is smaller than or equals to needed contract quantity. Because once contracts with excessive quantity are agreed, it cannot be revoked. This means the ideal result is absolutely missed. But if the agent is in that situation, there is still a possibility of compensating for insufficient contract quantity through negotiations with other agents in the remaining rounds. Third, my agent sets minimum requirements that an accepted offer must meet. This is because two unfavorable offers should not be accepted, and my agent will conduct a proposal instead. Fourth, as rounds progress, it becomes more open to accepting excessive quantity. This means making concessions to the negotiating agents. As I mentioned earlier, this redist agent has three types of distribution methods. The first one is a distribution method using accumulated information. The second one is a method using information about previous offers. The last one is just random distribution. The first one is used in first proposal function, and the second one is used in counter all function. Furthermore, the third one is used with a certain probability in first proposal and counter all. After this slide, I'm going to explain each distribution method. In this slide, I'm going to introduce the first distribution method. This first method uses accumulated information. In this method, agent collects three types of information from each negotiation partner through past negotiations. The first information is called as NS. This is the number of all the successful contracts. The second information is named TQ. This is total quantity contracted through the simulation with the agent. The third information is named NU. This is the number of all the unsuccessful contracts. And my agent will calculate the value P shown below with the three kinds of information. The part including TQ divided by NS means average contracted quantity. The other part means the possibility of successful contracts. This p-value represents an expected value of how much quantity the partner agent is likely to accept. In this method, my agent estimates that Agents with higher P are more likely to agree to contracts with more quantity, so offers with a higher quantity will be proposed to them. This distribution method is used in first proposal function. Next, I'm going to introduce the second distribution method. In this method, my agent estimates that partner agents which proposed offers with more quantities are more likely to agree to contracts with larger quantities, so offers with a larger quantity will be proposed to them. This figure is the example of how to use this distribution method. Now, the quantity of the offer from green agent is 9 and the quantity of the offer from blue agent is 2. Green offers larger quantity than blue. So, my agent estimates green agent is more likely to accept large quantity than blue. Thus, the quantity of the offer to green agent is larger than the quantity to blue agent. Also, this distribution method is used in counter function. If offers are not so good or there is remaining quantity to contract, my agent will redistribute its needs by this method. Okay, let's move on to the last distribution method. In this method, my agent just randomly distributes its required contract quantity to partner agents. This method is made from expectation of most offers being rejected. My agent distributes 1.35 times the required contract quantity in advance. This expectation is based on the designer's empirical rule that the possibility of all random offers being accepted is very low. Also, this random distribution method is used in the first proposal function and counter all function with a probability of 7%. This contributes to gaining diverse information about other agents. Finally, I'd like to inform you about the results of the evaluation experiment. As the result is shown in figure 1, this agent demonstrated superior performance compared to other sample agents. Also, as the result is shown in the yellow line in figure 2, even in the late stages of the live competition, this agent performed well enough to remain in the top ranks. That's all. Thank you for listening.